Posting your viral content like a pro. You know what it takes to make a post viral. A cool, enticing title, great-looking and attention-grabbing images, and premium shareable content. All of those elements combine to make a successful viral post that is sure to make all the rounds. Now, it is time you apply the right techniques alongside those elements to create your first viral post like a pro. It's easier than you think, and there are various ways to post content that will go viral online. So let's take a look. Creating a viral post. As a first step, you'll need to create your viral post. So let's do it the easy way. Start in your WordPress dashboard and go to the Posts tab. Then click on Add New. This is where all of your viral posts will be born, so bear with us here. There are 3 basic stages when you post your viral content in your WordPress dashboard, and we'll teach you to go through them step by step. The first one is the title, located in the Enter Title Here text box. Use the tools that we recommended before to create a title that people will want to click on and enter it here. Next comes the viral image, which can be inserted with the Add Media button. You can insert 2 types of images here, featured images and into post images. A featured image is a headline image that will go along with your title, usually on top of it. So this is the first one that you need to insert. Just click on Upload Files and search for it in your computer, or use one from your media library. Into post images are images that will accompany your content, so you'll insert those depending on how you structure your post. The last stage is the structure of your content. Like we said, it is better to structure your post in list format, and WordPress allows you to do so with a little code in the text editor. Just type your numbered titles in between H1 and H. To give you an example, our first numbered title would be H1 hack number 5 H. You'll have to do this for each one of your subtitles. Now, write your content and insert the images to accompany your post. As a last step, insert tags to your post to make it easier to find. Remember, these tags must be relevant to your content. Click on Publish and Post. Partially lock your content. You can partially lock your content to get more shares on social media platforms. Simply install and activate the Social Locker plugin. Go to the Plugins tab and click on New Locker. Now click on Create Item in the Social Locker box. Now, you only have to create a post like normal. Only this time, you'll have the option of locking your content behind a message, asking people to share it before they can access it. Select how your locker box will be shown and click on Publish. Post quizzes and polls. Quizzes are very popular because people like seeing quiz results from each other and sharing. Polls are equally popular because they let people express an opinion without too much effort. We recommend you post quizzes and polls on a regular basis as a way to keep people engaged with your site. Simply go to playbuzz.com and sign up. Go to Create. You'll have many options to create interactive forms for your website. Once you have created your form, whether it is a quiz, poll, or trivia, you'll just have to click on the Embed button, copy the text provided, go to your WordPress editor, and paste the code in the text editor, and click on Publish.